Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this week's quick and easy DIY, we'll be making these fancy candles for the upcoming holidays. Before I jump in, just to give you a few more ideas, the apples could be substituted with pumpkins for fall decor, and the rosemary could totally be swapped out for lavender sprays if you're wanting spring decor. I used red apples for a cute Christmas table centerpiece. This DIY takes under 10 minutes to make, and I've added the links to all the products I use down below. To wrap your candles in rosemary, simply secure a rubber band around your candle, then work your way around, sticking in the rosemary sprigs. The more sturdy the sprigs, the better. I didn't use any from my rosemary plant since it was a bit flimsy. The fresh packaged rosemary works best. Following that, use some twine to tie your rosemary into place, making sure not to tie over your rubber band, and remove your rubber band once done. And that's it. Super easy, right? I hope you liked this easy table centerpiece. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did and subscribe for more DIYs. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!